interiors. There's about 4 or 5 of the other ones that are flying. This is the only one that's actually out working, and it is a really well-maintained airplane. The EAA just does a fantastic job. Every year they do something to improve it. This is in better shape now than it was 10 years ago. In 1929, this was almost a revolutionary airplane, and if you when you get inside, the interior is just like it was in 1929, and you can see the styling, the shape. It's really more like a Pullman car or a train car than an airplane of the day. The competition of the day were really airmail. The common wisdom was airmail was the only thing that is ever going to work and make money in aviation. Hauling people will not make money.